Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make my CapCut video full screen. So let's get started. Let's say you want to post a video to YouTube Shorts or TikTok, however your video is in landscape mode. That is not the case for me, however if that's the case for you, then you need to first head over to aspect ratio, and make sure you select 9:16. This is the aspect ratio that's mostly used on social media platforms such as TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Now the second thing you need to do is click on your video, then just zoom in on the video using your two fingers. And as you can see, it is already in full screen. However, with this method, it is very zoomed in, so most parts of the video won't be visible. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.